Hello fellow crafters, I want to go ahead and show you what I've been doing in my craft space. So enjoy the video of what I have been up to. This is the beginning of the cleaning of the craft space where these two drawers have sat, and then the shelf there was up there as well. And now all this will be removed and replaced with a hopefully better system. Alright. It is now 12 o'clock and I am still working with all this. I finally got the dresser up and the shelf. Secured it to the wall so nothing will tumble it down. Screws, 2x4s, but the drawers are still empty. Completely empty. So this is the only thing that's up there so far, and my fairy lights. They look ugly right now only because they're being held by the painter's tape, but that should be coming down as soon as I get all my decorations up, which are somewhere in there, and I am scared. But I'll come back when I do something. It is 1:29 and I am still at it. I have organized all the drawers, put things away most likely, but this is the bed. It looks a little bit better. All this is going to another craft area in the house. None organized because I haven't had time for that. And there's that. But there's a shelf starting from the top, coming down. I have some twinkle lights in the back. But so far this is a drawer for, I don't know, because this is still empty. My scale to weigh the packages before I mail them out from my Etsy shop. This here will be my camera and tape, tons of tape, shipping tape, duct tape, whatever tape I need. This here will be one of my many sticker drawers, because I think I have too much stickers, and that's another thing I have to do. I have to go through my stickers and really calm down on that. And then I have this drawer that I have so far my Cricut press, my regular iron, Teflon sheets, my little Cricut pad thingy, regular ironing, and more stickers and more stuff to go through. Some of these things, honestly, I don't know what this is. But that's another day. I was supposed to be done by 2 o'clock. Go outside and clean up a little bit in the backyard. This one's a little kind of empty, but it's just got washi tape. All the washi tape I have, except for Christmas. Some of my vinyl, I believe, yeah. Sharpener and some odds and ends that really should be somewhere else. The way bottom drawer, what I put in here was lots of scrapbooking my stuff. This here should go up to the other craft area because it has a lot of the Christmas stuff. And then here I have another Cricut. I believe it's vinyl. Yeah, it's vinyl or HTV. So far that's it. And review for my bed now. I plan to get this done before 2 o'clock to clear it up and everything. And I think that's about it. But here's a close-up to, this is the bottom shelf of it. These 3 little suitcases here contain odds and ends also for crafting. This one's all puzzle pieces, so if anybody likes puzzle pieces for their junk journals, instant message me. I can send you guys a little packet. There's some odds and ends of books that I have decoratively. These are really pretty pages. Here I plan to go ahead and put a photo of me and my husband. Here I have the second shelf, which has also more little storage boxes that I got at the Dollar Tree. This was a exchange swap from Dina's Crafts on Facebook. This spot is empty. If anybody knows me, you guys know that I have cats, and this is especially for my cats because they can jump and go up there. Up here, books. Don't know what's going to go in that empty spot. My cats are too big for that spot. Decorative little pieces, and these are the books that I have read or going to read this year. And that should be it. I will come back when I have the bed completely empty and ready for me to sit in that chair instead of my kitty. That is one of my kitties. But over here is my tool area for now, and I have all these tools that I took from my husband. My coffee thing is still there. I haven't even taken it to the kitchen. This is another little area that I did kind of clean up. I had all my camera stuff here. I still have to do this. It looks really bad. And then, of course, I have more shelves and stuff. But I'll do a craft space tour later. That's part of my craft right there. Space. Which is all of that. And this, of course, when it's empty. There's my laminator and all my other stuff that should be organized and probably will be given time. I'm giving myself 6 months to organize all my crafting stuff and pare down on a lot of stuff on my stash. So, I'll be back later. Alright, I promised you guys the finished product. And here it is. The bed is now completely empty of all of my crafting stuff. All put away. There's that. And there's a view in the front, and that was my baby. That's my other baby. Sushi, you want to say hello to people? Yeah? That's my sushi. There's my craft table. A lot more empty. Tools are going back. That is mine. Coffee mug is still there. Haven't done that. And like I had it before. It's done. Just added a little candle, and all the drawers are done, finished, and filled up. Just a trash bag to get out. Alright, hope you guys like this little cleaning tour of my existing craft table to now, or craft drawers to now my dresser with all of my fun stuff in it. Alright, I'll be back with more crafting tour, crafting room, crafting area. Stay tuned for craft spaces that I have around the house, and I will bring you with me to those craft spaces all over the house. Bye for now.